Welcome to Realeather. In this video, we're going to make the envelope card case. This is a nice and easy project, beginner level. So let's get started. On the back of your card are all the instructions on how to make this project. Let's see what comes in our kit. We have the case body, and then we have the two pocket pieces. One that's going to go in the center, and then one that goes in the front with a little hole in there. We have the button stud, which will go there, and we have thread with a needle. You will also need a pair of scissors, and a screwdriver will be handy if you want to tighten the button stud once you put it in. Let's get started. Step one is you're going to take the button stud and go ahead and insert it into the front pocket by putting the flat part of the stud through the hole on the front of the pocket. It may be easier to lay it flat on the table and then find the hole and then take the top and you can start screwing it onto the stud. You can then hold the stud on one side and use a flathead screwdriver if you want to tighten into place. Don't tighten it too much or it may indent your leather. Now, we're ready to start sewing. In your package, you have a needle and you have waxed thread. So you just go ahead and cut the tape off your thread and thread up your needle. Now you need to layer your pieces. You're going to use the front piece with the button stud on top of the middle pocket piece, and you're going to put rough sides together. And then you'll put the smooth side of the center pocket against the rough side of the outer pocket. So we have smooth, rough, rough. 1, 2, 3. Now you're ready to start stitching your envelope card pocket. So we're going to start by going through just the top layer and through the first hole. And we're going to pull the thread all the way through and leave a 2-inch tail. Then we're going to go down the second hole and pull it through. Careful not to catch your tail. And then you're going to come back up through the third hole. So what you're going to be creating is a stitch every other section. So it looks like that. So you have a blank, you have a stitch, a blank, a stitch, a blank, and we're going to go all the way around the 3 layers. And then when we get over here, we're going to stitch back and fill in those holes. So let me just speed this up while I stitch through all the way around. Alright, now that I've gone all the way around, we're going to go back on this side. When we fill in this side, it will fill in this side, so we will have a continuous line of thread versus a dotted line. Once you get back to the beginning, take an extra stitch here all the way through. This is a stress point, so this will add a little extra strength. And then go back through just the 2 layers and end up where you started, so you can tie the 2 threads off. And once you've done that, do a square knot here to end, which is you go left over right, tighten it, and then right over left and tighten it. trim your tails short and tuck them in between the layers. And there you go. You have a finished, beautiful card case. Perfect for your business cards, credit cards, great gift, an excellent little project. And you see how quick and easy it is to make. Enjoy! See you in the next one.